Alright, so it's just a quick video. I know I ain't uploading nothing in a while, so I did this yesterday. Cause I didn't make a video yesterday, but then after I did, I said, well, I'm gonna make a video because I actually watched the video to figure out how to do this with my car. So you can do this with any Challenger, Charger, probably even like going all the way back to like 2016, 2015 cars. It'll work with all those. I've been in the process of moving. I just recently moved, and then plus it's hot. It's like hot as shit, so I ain't really been making too many videos. I probably got like 4 or 5 videos made, but not completed just because I just stopped doing it. But I got shit coming. I still got the scrape pipe flyby video, plus some other little mods I got coming. Like I said, I've been moving. Just like right now, it's my garage set up. Got my car right here. I got my son, his 2 cars right here. You see, lifted Jeep. This is old car. I got my car cleaning stuff right here on the garage. Anything I do to the car, like pieces I order, like I'm gonna keep the stock ones on here and all my little cleaning shit. I gotta throw that in the trash. Like I said, I'm still moving, but it's pretty much it. So, like I said, this is not just for Challengers, Chargers. You can pretty much do this with any car that basically have this option. All right, so a lot of cars, newer and kind of like older newish, come with these buttons up here and like, OnStar and all that shit. And a lot of people, they don't even touch this. They held the car the whole time and never touched the OnStar or these garage opening buttons, because that's what these are for. But I decided to just like, try to link my garage opener to this garage, just because I won't have to deal with finding it or pulling it out and always having to press the button. So basically what you want to do is you want to take your garage opener, have it handy. You're gonna need the garage opener, and before you use this, what you gotta do is you gotta hold the first and last button. Hold it until this starts flickering. All right, so once it does that, it's basically erasing whatever setup you had already in the car. Even if the car is brand new, you still want to do that just so it's a fresh start. Then you want to take the garage opener you want to use, and you want to hold the first button on this and the first button on this one at the same time. Let me see if I'm able to do both at the same time until you see it start flickering. So I'm gonna hold both at the same time. And see it start flickering. Mind you, mine's already opened up just because I already have mine set up, but that's basically all you gotta do. You just gotta hold these 2 buttons right here, the factory reset it, and wipe whatever memory it has on it. Then you take your garage opener right here and you hold it within like an inch of right here. You hold the first button and the first button on here, basically whatever button you want to pair up. So it's 3 options, and obviously just need the first button. If your garage got you do use one of these for a light, or if it's like multiple doors or whatnot, however your garage opener is set up, but you basically need to just pair it up with the first button, hold this button, and hold this button. You're gonna see a light flicker, at least on a Challenger and Charger. Other cars, the light may be somewhere else, or you probably just gotta hold it till you hear a beep or something like that. But that's pretty much it. This is like a universal tutorial on like all cars to have this option, not just Dodge and Chargers and Challengers, but just basically showing you if you got that car, it shows you exactly how it's gonna work. But if you got another car, it's pretty much the same way, but it's gonna look different. But that's pretty much it. Like I said, it's just a quick video. I got a lot more stuff coming up. Just wanted to put this up, give y'all an update. Set up, all you gotta do is hit this button 1 time. You ain't gotta hold it, just press it 1 time. Garage is gonna open it. If you wanna stop it while it's laying up, just press it, it's gonna stop it. And then if it's midway, you press it again. It's gonna go all the way back down. Pretty simple, easy tutorial. That's it.
On my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Look, reached every goal I actually set. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Look, and now I'm out here.